Oh, we're unboxing today. Tom Bihn. Oh, we've been waiting for this one. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, I love her. She was the nicest person. Great customer service. She was the nicest person. I chose a large snake cleaner to pop in your order since it fits perfectly in the Synyk's bottom pocket. Wow, this customer service is off the charts. Tom Bihn, thank you. Look at this. Kenji, oh boy. Bags, bags, bags. Oh my God. And then the mother bag. These things, organizational tools. Yes. The big bag. Oh, the one underneath. The new Synics. Is that how you pronounce it, Kenji? Jeez. Oh. Tom Bihn all over the place. I love it. Look at this. All right, we're gonna check all this stuff out, put it all together, and see what kind of quality we have here. But I already know it's a winner. Love these. Cool. New updated bag. Good to go. All right, so we have our Tom Bihn in. Just did the opening of it, and well, you know I'm a Tom Bihn fan, so we're already gonna be talking pretty positive on it, but I'm gonna go through everything here shortly. I'm gonna use the bag, and then we're gonna get back to you with more of an official review. But as far as an opener goes, this is fantastic stuff and quality already. We got a denier nylon up front here on most of the bag, and then on the bottom we got a nice thicker, more ballistic nylon. I think the denier is at 420, and the ballistic nylon might be a little over 1,000, 1050 on the bottom. So a much more stronger, much more stronger fabric, I guess, on the bottom. And then we got a spinal plate in the back again to conform to your back, which I love. Easy straps. I got the accessories to come with. So we can do bottom, side. We got 3 of them. Okay, so we got the side, and then the bottom is also a little bit padded underneath too. Again, more zippers in here, and they also, I think, yeah, and these they come up with those cool little strings to go around all the zippers, so it makes it a little easier to open and close. It's gonna be a hell of a bag. Okay, bigger review coming up. Alright guys, so we got the new Synik 30 Tom Bihn bag. I've been looking forward to this backpack coming out. They've revamped a few things on it, and it's gonna be dynamite. We got a ton of we only got 4 or 5 new features to the new bag, and this is I'm gonna take it and use it. I'm gonna pack it up, travel with it a little bit, and then I'll come back here for a bigger review. But just for a little quick synopsis of it, it's clamshell opening. That's different from the old bag. These straps in here to tidy things in a little bit better. We still got the Halcyon fabric on the inside, and then a little bit more of the heavy-duty ballistic nylon on the outside. These, I mean, if you can see in here, the zipper edge is all just super fine, high quality. The YKK zippers, the back straps actually have become a little bit more rounded and smoother on the edges for carrying, which is making that a little bit more comfortable. I mean, this bag all around is just, so far, it looks great. The zipper alignment of what comes where here is all about the same as the old bag, but yeah, little padding on the bottom, that's a new feature. Here, this padding here wasn't quite as thick here or even there on the old bag. So yeah, it's a $300 backpack and worth every penny. All right guys, like, subscribe, and then we'll come up with a bigger review here shortly once I use this bad boy. Thanks.